Welcome back everyone to yet another video. In today's video, I will be just showing you how people are making hundreds and thousands of dollars with the help of this exact same method. So let's change this currency over here first into United States. Okay, so here you can see all of these people are on the Fiverr. All of these people are giving SEO services. So here you can see this woman is charging $95 for this SEO service. This man is charging $75, $95. These are charging $300 for SEO. So basically, these are also other types of SEO as well, but you are as we told you about ChatGPT SEO, that will not include SEO like one of these, but that will be a simple SEO. Okay, so here you can see the best Google local SEO strategy to dominate your niche. So this will be the basic SEO for $75. But here you can see when they are including backlinks. So we have not studied about how to create backlinks. So that's another strategy. But you can see the point if you scroll down. So it is saying I'll create and design professional YouTube channel with SEO. Basically, it's doing an SEO for a YouTube channel. Here you can see I will optimize the SEO of your website for optimal ranking. So this is the simple SEO that we did, and this woman is charging $80 for it, and it already had 653 customers. So if we multiply 653 multiplied by 80, so that's a lot of money. So basically, the service that you learn to provide, what I'm saying here is you can make a lot of money with selling your services on Fiverr as an SEO expert. So basically, if you don't have your own website and you are not doing SEO for your own website, you can find clients on Fiverr. So here you can see this person over here, but he is doing an SEO for Amazon. Okay, but he's a top rated seller. So SEO is in demand, whether it's for Google, it's for Amazon, it's for YouTube. SEO will always be in demand. So what you're gonna do is create a gig over here and start selling your services, and make sure to do practice on your own website or the website of your client. So this is just a reminder to help you get started. Make sure to create these gigs. Make sure to post over here, and you will be earning soon, and you will be doing SEO for people. As you can see over here, this girl over here, I will write your SEO articles and blog posts. So this is doing SEO that I taught you. Okay, simple SEO, no backlinks, no nothing shit, but really simple SEO she is doing, and she's already a top rated seller. So top rated seller means she had earned more than $20,000 on the platform. So basically, this is a good side hustle to start with the SEO, and you will see a lot of top rated sellers here. Like you can see, this is the top rated seller as well. So make sure to create your gigs onto Fiverr and start earning.